Thiko igana rimwe ria 18 itigarite niguo githurano kinene gitabanio ngwataniro cia uteti ithiete na mbere na kwiyumba niguo guthondeka mbutu iri na uritu wa gukahotana githurano-ini kinene. Ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza riu ni ibaibetio ni ciama kenda iria ciikirite thaini uiguithanio wa kurutithania wĩra na munini wa President William Ruto, Musalia Mudavadi wa ANC na Moses Wetangula wa Ford Kenya.
The alliance we put together today is an alliance about changing the economy of our country. We have discussed long and hard about the priority of our nation, and we have all come to the conclusion that it is the economy.
Kenya Kwanza wants to put the Kenyans ahead of everything else. We want to put Kenyans first.
We want Kenya to take its prideful place in the community of nations, starting from our neighborhood, our firm commitment to the integration of East Africa.
Ngwataniro ino yugete niyo itabetie miri ituri-ini ciothe bururi-ini kumana na cioneki ciayo cia kwambatiria ikiro cia Kenya na iraneire kuiga kiraniro kiu wona yahotana.
We are putting together this team because we want to change the political foundation of our nation so that henceforth our political foundation will be built on the firm foundation of integrity.
Let us tell Kenyans that if they want to win and get something of their bet, then they should place their bet on Kenya Kwanza.
Atongoria a ciama iria ciikanireirie ngirimiti na Kenya Kwanza hamwe nao Mwangi Kĩũnjĩrĩ wa TSP, William Kabogo wa Tujibebe wa Kenya, Moses Kuria wa chama cha kazi hamwe na spika wa bunge ya bũrũri Justin Muturi wa Democratic Party gatagati ka angĩ matariirie kwiganira kwao na mibango iria ngwataniro ino iri nayo kuri bũrũri uria maugite kwa ihinda riu utigite a Kenya matari na kindu gia kwirahira.
And therefore each party retains its distinct and separate identity while sharing in the common ideals and aspirations of working together to form the next government.
We want this country to move forward, and we cannot move this country forward if all we live in is history. We cannot allow history to enslave us.
Lengo letu la kwanza ni kutimiza mahitaji na matakwa ya Wakenya wakiwa wote milioni 50.
And this government, as His Excellency has said, it's not about individuals and not about parties. What brings us together is really because we have to save this country.
We support you, we stand with you, we have every confidence that Kenya will have the best president ever come August 9th, 2022 this year.
Ngirifuatira Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.